What happened was the phone overheated on us. Had a little storage issues as well. But as you can see, the tools are exactly where they were, how they were from the other videos. So I really hope that these two videos can suffice. Normally we do not use two videos, we use only one. But since we started the repair attempt, we're gonna pick up where we left off. And the adjuster, Mr. Beast, I believe, you are a pretty cool guy. So let's get this working. Get back going. Okay.
For that definition in there heavy now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
increasing.
That line definitely defined now. You see the granules popping off of them. If that ain't a textbook repair attempt utilizing a snake, I don't know what it is.
Yeah, it's textbook, baby.
Yeah.
Done so many repair attempts over the time with Allstate that you understand their process, so you got to follow their protocol. I need to give me some more pads for my Cougar balls. For the stippers. As you can see, the granules be coming, beginning to come at the top, beginning to show.
This is his rental property.
I'm not sure. What made you assume rental property?
I think one is a lockbox on the door.
I'm not sure. Sure. Again, still trying my best not to lift it too high in order to get to the hole.
She's in there.
Just double checking to make sure all of these nails are in. Okay, so as you can see, after repairing one of the 59 damaged shingles, you can see tons of granules at the above shingle, this one and this line as well. So this is going to be deemed as a failed repair attempt. Reason being, again, I'm causing more damage trying to repair it. So just imagine me doing this 59 times. This is going to ultimately warrant a full roof replacement because I'm going to continuously damage more shingles. So just quick math, 59 times 3, let's just say 60 times 3. That's 180 shingles that's being damaged. Not including the surrounding, the bottom shingles, the shingles to the left and right. So again, this is a failed repair attempt. And I'm out.